Hello guys and welcome back to a new Train Drive ATS 2 video. Yeah, and today we're doing the third scenario in this game. So let's press on start and put it on fast forward mode. And yeah, so we're driving the 7712 local train to Awayuki Koen. And here we are in the nicest place of the route, which is Pearly Land. Yeah, it actually sounds really English. So yeah. And Aishu is back, so Let's Plays are gonna come. Whoops. No. Now we got stupid -7 points.
This is the local train bound for Awayuki Koen. We'll stop at all stations to Awayuki Koen. The next stop is Misawagawara. Mamonaku Misawagawara desu.
Pretty weird station name, Misawagawara.
Misawagawara.
Yeah.
Station number 33. The doors on the left side will open.
Okay. So let's stop at the station. Now, and hopefully I can stop properly. B3. Because it's a little bit, it's more difficult to stop a train in Train Drive ATS 2 properly than it is in Train Drive ATS 1. And I have no idea why. So hopefully this gets me a good parking impact. And it is indeed a good parking impact. 37 points. Oh yeah, we were standing for a few seconds and we're already going. Awesome. So, Inagi Ohashi. Actually, we only have 3 more stations and we're there.
Station number 32.
And we have an opposite train which we're gonna meet at the next station, I guess.
We'll soon arrive at Inagi-Ohashi.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
32. The doors on the right side will open.
Pretty loud noise. And there's the opposite train that I meant. And that one is going there where we just came from. And I hope I didn't touch the microphone. If you heard some noise, then you can be sure that I touched the microphone, and that's not really good. Oh, come on, why do we need to go that slow? Yeah. Don't beep at me. Don't beep at me. I'm doing everything goodly. Oh, okay. So let's put it on fast forward. Because we don't want to use... Oh, God! 31 points. That is good. And the parking impact is good as well. Oh, but 2 telephone sounds at once sounds awful. Yeah. So, and I guess this scenario is not very long. Or, oh no. I think we're gonna drive the way back, don't we, right? It could be. Whoa. I wasn't looking. Come on.
Please change trains here for NR Central Line.
Now I've lost a few points, but all we need is more than 1 point. Or 1 point is enough, but not 0 or less. Yeah, exactly.
まもなくくんち電です。出口は右側です。NR セントラルラインはお乗り換えです。We'll soon arrive at くんち電 Station number 31. The doors on the right side will open.
So we have a
Please change trains
steep
here for NR Central Line.
minus 5%. Oh, and there's a train going on the bridge. Oh, we're braking too much? No, we're not. We're braking not enough. Oh, come on. Stop. Yeah. I know. I've got a bad parking impact, but 63 points. That is kind of good. So, the next station is the last one already. But I think we're gonna drive the whole way back. Yeah. So, the next stop is Awayuki-koen. Yes, that is the last station. And we're going on track 5, which is exactly the track that has the buffers. That means we're gonna drive the whole way back to Pearlyland again.
The next stop is Awayuki-koen, station number 14. This is the last stop of this train. Please change trains here for Inagi-chuo.
And I think we have driven at Awayuki-koen in the last scenario as well. So, and as I am editing with iMovie now, you can see if we have stopped there or not. In a title, in the middle of the screen, it says yes or no. So, but anyway, let's go back to the driving.
We'll soon arrive at Awayuki-koen, station number 14. This is the last stop of this train. The doors on the left side will open. Please change trains here for Inagi-chuo.
Yep, that's the buffer track.
Wakabagaoka, and Shinhirao. Thank you for using the Inatetsu line.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you for using the line. Yeah. Okay. So I guess we're gonna drive the whole way back. Because if this is the whole entire scenario, I'm gonna do the 4th one in this video as well. But I think not. So, if this video is gonna be less than 10 minutes, then I have to do the next scenario as well. But I don't think so, because I think we're gonna drive, yep, exactly, the whole way back. Isn't that awesome? So, and now, after a little cut, we're gonna see us because we have to wait for a few minutes. So, and there's the telephone sound, and I just simply decided to not do a cut. I just simply said, do it on fast forward, which makes it 4 times faster, and also edit it with iMovie on the double speed, and everything will be fine. And you don't have to wait for too long, and you can also watch the trains. And I think it's awesome to watch trains. Well, I think so. So, let's drive the whole entire way back. Whoa.
Thank you for using the Inatetsu line. This is the local train bound for Pearilando. We'll stop at all stations to Pearilando. The next stop is Kunchiden.
Good.
Station number 31.
And there's the bridge again.
Trains here for NR Central Line.
Yeah, and exactly that bridge over there is supposes It supposes to be the NR Central Line that I just said. Well, it's just a decoration line.
NR セントラルラインはお乗り換えです。
And you cannot drive that route.
Soon arrive at くんち
You
で
can only watch it in
The doors on the right side will open.
you
Please
can only
choose
watch it
train
in
here
flight
NR
mode.
Central Line.
Yeah, and that's actually it. And I've already unlocked flight mode because I already have completed all the scenarios. Yeah. I don't know how many they have. I think it's 14 or 15 or more. I don't know, but not more than 30 definitely. And definitely more than 10. So yeah. So I don't really like this telephone sound. I think they should do it here like in the Train Drive ATS1. Because that's where they have the nice music playing. And not that stupid telephone sound.
次は稲城大橋です。
Oh, there's a special
The
express
next stop
coming.
is 稲城大橋 Station number 32.
Oh, and this is only one track. Okay, so I guess that special express that is coming there, it has to wait for us to arrive at the station to be able to go further. Yep.
まもなく稲城大橋です。
Oh, but the station is
出口は
already
右側
there.
です。We'll soon arrive at 稲城大橋 Station number 32. The doors on the right side will open.
But I think he has enough time. Yeah. So he doesn't need to wait. So, and there's a red light. Oh god, what was that for a weird sound? Something like lib. Oh, that was a perfect stopping. Let's see. 98 points and a good parking impact. That is very good. So, oh, don't do automatic, please. So the most points that you can get per station is 100. And that is if you stop perfectly at the blue line and you have a good parking
次
impact.
は三沢河原です。
And if you
The
don't
next
have
stop
an
is
overrun,
まもなく三沢
well,
河
that
原
means
です。
if you miss the
出口は
station
右側です。
or you are too
We'll
slowly
soon arrive at 三沢河原 Station
at the
number
stopping. That also
33.
makes you minus
The
points,
doors
and I
on
have
the
no
right
idea
side
why.
will open.
So yeah. And it sounds very easy, but it's actually not. So if you have all the points that you can have in even one scenario, then you're a pro in this game. And I'm not. And we're stopping in the middle of the platform. Ah, yeah, we only have 4 cars, that's why. Whoa, stop. That was not a very good stopping. Well, but at least that we get plus points. Okay, plus 10. Yeah, that's better than nothing. So, is this the end? Or are we gonna drive, maybe a special express? Who knows?
次は
Because there are
ランド
a
終
lot
点
of
です。
special expresses, you see.
The next stop is
There is one, the
Station number
0700 and the
34. This is the last station of
0702.
this line.
So, are we gonna be 0704 Oh my god, look at that nice place. So, Perilando. Okay. Alright, stop. Stop.
Pearland station number 34. This is the last station of this line.
Station number 34. Oh.
Thank you for using the Inatetsu line.
Yeah. And thank you for watching this video as well. So, I hope this is not the whole scenario yet. So, and this is one of the operations, right? So, I should go 9 over there, 7 over there, 6 here, 5, 4, 3. Good, perfect. Good. That was the whole entire scenario. So what was my stopping? 77 points. Okay, let me check the time, and if it's less than 10 minutes, I'm definitely gonna do another one. Well, the next scenario. So, as I am noticing, this video is 17 minutes long in my timeline, and yours it will be a little bit less because of the times 2 speed in the middle. So you're gonna have 15 minutes, but I think that's enough for a video of Train Drive ATS 2, and yeah. So I see you in the next video. The next one will be the third scenario in Train Drive ATS 1. That will come in a few weeks or a few months. I don't know. I'm not doing Train Drive ATS so often, because those take a long time. So yeah. I'm talking too much in this video. I have so much to talk about, but I need to end this video. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.